What's the deal, y'all? Big 45, take me out, man. Look, y'all, we back with another video. We at the car wash. And, man, put my boy SRT table up. I'm gonna show y'all boys how the diffuser looking. It look crazy, man. My car look real crazy, y'all. May 12th, in about a week or two, I'm gonna put a rear window spoiler on here, y'all. So that's gonna even top it off even crazier, and then I'm gonna have my YouTube at the bottom of it. So make sure y'all boys just stay tuned for that. You feel me? I will be painting these big ass tips right here black. So I might just get some paint and spray paint that myself. For real. I can get up under there myself and spray paint it. So that's probably what I'm gonna do, y'all. Yeah, that's just how the diffuser looking. Feel me? This ain't the regular one, y'all. This is the carbon fiber one. Let me get up close for y'all as y'all can see. I was thinking about wrapping this trunk part carbon fiber too though, because that's carbon fiber now. So I was just gonna match it off. But yeah, y'all, this what my baby looking like. That chrome thing that's on the fender right there getting wrapped black. So that's gonna be done too. Oh yeah, in today's video too, y'all will be seeing me put on the Hellcat spoiler. Not the wicker build attached to it. I do have the wicker build at home, so that's gonna be coming soon too, y'all. But this is about to probably come off today, cause I'm gonna have to make some stops. I might have to go to Home Depot and get certain screws for the spoiler. Put that on my boy Trev. Shout out my boy Trev once again, y'all. I'm not sure if y'all peep. Look at my boy. Y'all see the look. But look, y'all, this tail light is different than this one. You peep that though? You peep? Like this tail light on the right side is darker than the one on the left.
Yeah, legit. It's like the tint. It's the tint.
I don't know, y'all, if they like oversprayed on this side, but these gonna be coming out real soon though. I'm probably gonna put like probably like some 09, 010 tail lights in there though. But next week, like I said, I will be ordering though. Like I said, y'all, next week, y'all, I will be ordering Tavo bumper, so y'all will see his bumper on the front of my car. It was supposed to be a surprise though, but I'm like, fuck it, why not just let y'all know? But yeah, that bumper coming real soon. I'm ordering that May 12th, so y'all stay tuned. And then this ugly ass scoop hood just coming off too. I got somebody that got the hood on hand. Y'all know the hood I'm talking about, the SRT hood everybody go crazy over. But this is gonna be coming off, so y'all boys just stay tuned, man. I don't know what the fuck these is. They look like little bugs though. Yo, like I was saying about this, y'all about this front bumper, bro. This is the 5.7 front bumper. I really don't like this one, bro. Like, y'all, I swear. Damn, my hood pin is like loose a little bit, y'all. It's loose, but I ain't even really tripping. All is about to come off. As long as it's on there enough to stay on, we not really tripping about it. But yeah, y'all, this is just how it's looking. I'm about to actually get a car wash. Like I was saying in the last clip, I'm gonna head to my boy Trev house again, and put that Hellcat spoiler on. I actually got it inside my car, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, okay, yeah. Here go the Hellcat spoiler right here. I'm gonna put that on. So I gotta go to Home Depot, y'all, like I was saying in the last clip. I gotta go there and get the screws. He did show me, hold on, y'all. He did show me the screw that I will need. Let me show y'all. It's this screw right here. I think it's a 5M. And then there's like holes on the back of that. Let me show y'all. It's like, okay, I'm not sure if y'all can see, but it's like a hole right there. It's a hole right here. And then it's a hole all the way back there. But as y'all can see, this screw right here that I got, that he gave me, he told me to take this to Home Depot, so y'all should see him today in this video. But it go, as y'all can see, it fit in there. It's the same screw that they got, but we supposed to be running up there, y'all. So I might get a quick little wash in, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all boys the diffuser one more time. Boom. I can't wait, y'all. Hey, y'all in the section if I should put like 345 up under here. 345 in between the diffuser lines. Y'all let me know. And like I was saying again, y'all, I am gonna paint that all black. So y'all boys just stay tuned, man. We got a lot of stuff on the way. Big changes, big changes. I'm gonna speak about the bumper again. This bumper will be coming off, bro. This bumper and this hood. I feel like this gonna make my car look different. If y'all don't know, I'm getting a bumper that's on the front of my brother's car. So this bumper right here, I'm probably gonna be getting this on my car, y'all. It's gonna bring it real different to my shit though. For real, for real. This is my brother's shit though. You about to get a front splinter, man, so y'all go subscribe to him, SRT Turbo. Gonna be dropping real soon. Camera action, boy. But let me get back to y'all when I'm washing my car. Alright, y'all. My car, I'm cleaning my rims right now, y'all. Cause, bro, man, like I told y'all, I need a detailer, bro. Like, I need somebody that's real good with rims. Overall in the car, just in general. I need somebody that know how to really clean, like, rims. And car, bro, because some stuff you're just supposed to do professionally, you know? Man, I be feeling like, y'all, the rims is the only thing that I really need to spend time on my tires. Because everything be clean, but this just be a little bit more dirtier. This rag dirty as fuck. I know y'all looking at it like, bro, this shit dirty. So excuse me, y'all. My rims are just real dirty, man. I've been driving on them a lot, so. This rim, I feel like I really don't even got to touch up on. I know I'm kind of like rushing with it, y'all. I only got like 1 minute left.
Sweet backstory Aladdin.
Alright, y'all, this is what my baby is looking like after it's done drying. You feel me? My car ain't all the way dry, y'all, but I'm gonna just let it air dry because I got some bad towels. I know y'all some table back there. This shit looking clean as hell. But yeah, I'm all done with my baby, man. Ooh, here from the back, right here. Whoever like it from the back, man. All the females that like it from the back, hit me up. It's like, this is what my baby looking like, though. Alright, 345 gang. I'm now done cleaning my car like y'all seen in the last clip. My boy, my brother, he cleaned out the inside of his car. He detailing the inside. But I'm probably about to leave, so I'm about to go meet up with my boy Trev to get this Hellcat spoiler put on. And yeah, man, I might catch y'all boys at his house or Home Depot. So either one of those, I should catch y'all boys. The sun trying to come out. It's trying, Michigan trying, you feel me? But yeah, I see y'all boys there, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned.
I'm together with the grill and all the supports and everything in there.
Right.
Just hanging on.
Oh yeah, it looked better than this though. I didn't know it was cracked like this.
Well, because the grill covered it up to here.
So, and then the grill held the whole thing together.
Right.
There's a support behind that goes behind it too that goes butts right up against it, so it won't move. And
yeah,
you'll see black behind it.
right. Oh yeah, you just took the gates out of there and put it on this one too.
I got a wire fog light, so I gotta go to my dad's to do it. I gotta jack it up.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this look real nice. What you gonna do about that side marker light though?
We'll put the other one in there, but I'm gonna do it after I think I get the grill.
The grill? Okay.
Because I gotta glue it in.
Right. Yeah, this look nice.
$120.
Yep. And it's still the SRT one too though. Yeah, this look crazy, y'all. I'm not gonna lie.
wrap it.
Mm-hmm. I got that screw. Well, I just came from the car wash though. I got the screw in here. Nope. Well, I was gonna run up there with you, but
Oh, okay. Let me call Skylar.
yeah, our car look way better with the diffuser. It is gonna get lowered real soon. Look at my rims, bro. They look cleaner for sure. It's just these tires I don't like. I don't know why, bro. I don't like these tires. Maybe I'm used to the summer ones, but I'm not really a big fan. Why my car look lowered, like up here though? It's not. In reality, y'all, it's not lowered. Like if y'all look, it's not lowered. I don't think it is because, like Trev said, this is how his car sit. Look how mine sit, y'all. You see the difference? I'm gonna show y'all the difference. This sit way different. That's sitting low. It's not sitting low. I know y'all can peep the difference though. But mine's not sitting low though, so. That front bumper coming soon though. My boy Trev copped the SRT bumper from the dude I was supposed to get it from the other day. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the bumper that my brother got that go on his bumper. So we ain't tripping, it's a dub either way. I didn't know it was this easy, like taking off the spoiler.
Might not even. Holy shit.
Oh yeah, I just washed it, so that's probably why the water in there.
Oh yeah, cause it's cracked.
Mm-hmm. Now you said your dad know how to put on the wicker bill.
Yeah. He said there's a way you can do it with a bolt and a wire, two washers and a bolt.
Right.
You put it on there and then it'll squeeze it. Oop, my fault.
No, but it ain't nothing. Perfectly fine. I think I might have to touch this up with some black paint though.
You should be able to clean it.
Mm-hmm. It's probably gonna look different though. That's gonna really make it look different. Then they got cracks in it, cracks on top of it. I don't know how this got up. Well, these cracks was in here like when I first bought it though. Oh, y'all, look at my baby. This look crazy without the spoiler on there. I might have to clean this.
One hour later.
They make go to like I think we might be able to go back to Home Depot.
Go back to Home Depot.
When we get done, and they make plugs.
Right. Oh yeah. Right.
A little plastic plug,
Mm-hmm.
and it'll be flush.
Yeah.
It's gonna definitely have to get repainted because they put it on while it's still soft.
Mm-hmm.
We can do that. Does it have to be a black one?
No, this is wrap. This is wrapped right here.
Oh, this is wrap.
Yeah.
Oh fuck! Then we can just rewrap it
Mm-hmm.
or paint it.
Yeah. Or the plugs can go in here, right? Too, Trey.
Yeah, I just was.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Right. Yo, this is gonna look real crazy, bro. No cap. I'm keeping my baby. If y'all need a 5.7 spoiler, let me know. I might just keep it though, just in case.
I'm gonna put the paint on them, these bolts. Thread them in a little bit. Mark it. Never even considered it. Just
That's gonna make it look totally different. And that's to mark it on the tape though, right?
yeah, so we can drill
Yeah.
holes.
Yeah.
So we can we're not guessing.
Right. Alright, y'all, we screwing it in. As y'all can see, the first screw right there. These the little side holes he got drilled in. And then there's one on that side as well. But we putting the first one in. We basically just lining it up right now, y'all. Making sure everything cool. And then I'm gonna put the washers on, make sure everything okay. My boy Trev is looking for a tool right now. But look at it, y'all. That looks sick, I'm not even gonna lie.
It usually does.
That thing is wild. Did he get it tuned or?
Whatever the fuck he got. Hey,
Right. he got pulled over at least once. At least. Man, that's crazy, y'all. Y'all thinking about getting this smaller though? Yeah. I don't know.
different things come in priority.
Right. Yeah. Now you think I can spray paint? You said I can spray paint these tips, right? That's probably what paint you think I should use though?
You want to get? I would get the header paint.
Header paint. Right.
Regular paint will work for you.
Right. Yeah, getting hot. Right. You just might, yeah. You never know. Yeah. Right. I was thinking about changing it to baby blue or something.
Oh, the car?
Yeah, the car, yeah.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the spoiler.
Yeah, I was thinking about changing the color to baby blue or...
I'm either going white or I like that,
Yeah, this look way different. This is my old spoiler right here, my old spoiler, y'all. But this look different, I'm not even gonna lie. 1,046?
yeah.
That's crazy. But they probably look good too, though.
They're good tires, too.
Oh, yeah. Alright, y'all. Look at his shit, bro. Look at my boy Trev shit. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. That motherfucker look crazy, bro. And it look crazy lower, though. I'm sorry, y'all. I know the seatbelt sensor going off. We only right up the street, so yeah, y'all. There's no point in putting seatbelt on. But I know y'all see my boy Taylor in the back. Yes, sir. It's supposed to rain real soon, though, y'all. That's why we so ancient of putting these bubbles in. Damn it, y'all. So that's the reason why we making it up here real fast. I gotta get my car lowered. I just have to, y'all. No cap. I know y'all see my boy Trevor rims, like, bro. Ooh, that boy look crazy, Trev. He missing, y'all, is that window shield spoiler too, bro. That's gonna make your car stand all the way out. No cap. But I like them tail lights, my boy Trev. I might have to steal them off you, feel me? But no, y'all. He got the 09 or the 010. Y'all know the one tail lights with the big circles. Y'all know which ones I'm talking about. I don't know exactly what they call, but I'm about to put those in and then I'm gonna probably tint those out. But Trev said he got something for me, so yeah, man. My boy Trev just been coming through, man. Like, man, my boy Trev been coming through for me, y'all. I fuck with my boy heavy, y'all. But yeah, we about to go back up here to this Home Depot. Yeah, man, make sure y'all boys hit that like button, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, bro. Why you ain't hit that like button yet? I know you made it this far in the video and you did not sub or you didn't like, bro. I fuck with y'all heavy, man. Y'all supposed to be fucking with me how I fuck with y'all, bro. You feel me? Fuck with the kid. What'd you say? I don't know what he needed, but his dad had it though. But y'all, this the look of it though. I need to tint like this part right here. It's a little red showing. I need to tint that up. But I'm gonna get that window spoiler for the back. Huh? Probably gonna have Pack a Punch on. Put my wicker build on. I'm gonna have him tint the wicker build because I got the standard one. But yeah, y'all. If y'all boys like this video, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, talk to me in the comments, man. Yeah.